Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to earn passive income with your crypto. In this video, I will walk you through Binance Simple Earn step by step and show you how to start earning interest on your assets easily and safely. Binance Simple Earn is a feature that lets you earn daily rewards on your crypto by subscribing to flexible or locked savings products. Flexible means you can withdraw anytime. Locked means your funds are locked for a set period, usually 7 to 120 days for higher returns. Now log into your Binance account, then hover over Earn in the top menu, then click Simple Earn. You will now see a list of supported coins like USDT, USDC, etc., along with estimated APR rates. Let's say you want to earn with USDT. Click on the token name like USDT. Choose between flexible or locked option. Click subscribe and enter the amount you want to invest. Read and accept the terms. Then click confirm. Your funds will now start earning daily invest. You can track them anytime under the Earn wallet. Now, need your crypto back for flexible products? Go to Earn, then Simple Earn, then click Redeem. Next to the asset, choose fast redemption, no interest for the day, or standard redemption, get interest for the full day. For locked product, you may have to wait until the lock period ends. Early redemption is possible, but you may lose your earned rewards. Best practice and tips. Here are a few tips to earn smarter. Use flexible earn for coins you might need soon. Use locked earn for long-term holds. Reinvest interest regularly. Watch for promotions. Binance often offers limited time high APR deals. While Binance is a major exchange, crypto investing always has some risk. Keep in mind your assets aren't protected by a government or FDIC. Binance can adjust APRs at any time. Only invest what you can afford to hold for the lock period. Now, let me show you a real example. I will subscribe to a flexible earn product using USDT. Navigate to simple earn, select flexible USDT, input your amount like $50 and click subscribe or confirm. You can now see it add it to your Earn wallet. Your daily interest starts showing in 24 hours. Using Binance on mobile, here's how to find simple earn. Open Binance app, then click earn from wallets to view your funds and track invest interest. Same rewards, same control, just in your pocket. Let's quickly cover some frequently asked questions. Questions 1. Can I lose money on simple earn? There's no guarantee. Well, it's low risk. You are still exposed to market drops and Binance platform risk. Question 2. Can I earn compound interest? Yes, with flexible earn. Your interest is paid daily and added to your balance, which earns interest the next day. Then, what's the difference between APR and APY? APR is the flat rate. APY includes compounding, more accurate if you reinvest regularly. You now know how to use Binance Simple Earn, from flexible savings to earning daily passive income even on mobile. Want to go deeper? Watch my next video on Binance Auto Invest, or how to create a passive crypto strategy with zero effort. Like, if this guide was helpful, hit likes, drop a questions in the comments, and subscribe for more crypto guides. And hey, what coin are you stacking right now? Thanks for watching.